it to the pumpkin patch.
Pumpkin patch. And not somebody's ear, just by the way.
What are we gonna do at the pumpkin patch, guys?
We're gonna get pumpkins, ride some rides. It's gonna be a fun time. But let's see what Evie's gonna do at the pumpkin patch.
I'm looking forward to the petting zoo. I like animals, as you know.
Evie, what you planning on doing at the pumpkin patch today? Really? Are you gonna ride some rides?
So, since we are going to Pumpkins and Pumpkin Land, there's a barrier for entry, and that means Mom and I have to get a pumpkin spice latte. So it sends the pumpkins a message. It keeps them in check that we're eating some of their own. So.
I heard it does
We
the
can
same
even pour a little out for our homies.
I heard it does the same thing.
All our moldy pumpkins in the past.
Pumpkin homies. Okay, what do we got?
Coffee. Cheers.
Pumpkin spice, coffee, cheers. Got to get some pumpkin spice before the pumpkin patch.
Alright, we are here at the family farm. Busy.
Okay, we're gonna get some pumpkins. No.
Pumpkin patch.
Now this is Hunter Farms,
Hello.
where there's a lot of hunters, and there's some farms.
Is that yummy?
Everly Rose, you got new boots? Oh my goodness, keep your feet nice and dry. They got hearts on them. Oh, and kiss cam. Mwah. Yay, we're here. Are you sitting on the hay? Hey. Do you want to see some animals? Okay, let's come in here and look what we got. See, come here.
Say hi to the goats.
Right there. Say hi, goat.
Hi, goats. Hi there, buddy. Hello.
That pig looks like it ate about 10 of ours. It's like an old man's nose. You're up to a pig's leg. Oh, you see all the pumpkins? Pumpkins. And there goes 12 bucks.
Drive?
You just gotta ride the train.
I like.
What do you think about the pumpkin patch?
It's fun.
Okay, do you have any ideas that you want to carve your pumpkin like?
No.
The Fortnite llama?
No, I don't play Fortnite.
But that doesn't mean you couldn't carve a pumpkin like it. How about the NBA 2K symbol?
That'd be hard.
Oh, you know, it'd be cool, a Seahawks pumpkin. Did you like the outline?
I'm doing that.
That would be cool. Here she comes.
You got your pumpkin? Okay.
You got a pumpkin? Do you want to try it?
Well, we're gonna let some other people go.
Come on, let's go give it a whirl.
Matt makes it.
Okay, here. Back. Okay, put it in there. Here, we gotta back up more. Back up some more. Back up some more. Okay, let's do it some more. Come here. Here, come here. Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, so close. What do you want to carve your pumpkin like? Any ideas?
Maybe a pig.
pig. Pumpkin idea?
I don't want to carve my pumpkin.
Oh wow. Pumpkin life matters. What do you want to? I think I'm gonna do maybe another Nightmare Before Christmas character. I'll have to pick one new one. Maybe Zero. So I've done Jack. I've done Oogie Boogie. And
She still got her pumpkin.
She's got a little cute baby pumpkin.
You got a cute baby.
Is that your pumpkin?
Okay. Let's name everything pumpkin we can associate with. So
Pumpkin pie, pumpkin
pie, bread,
Oh, muffins.
pumpkin patch in your ear.
Pumpkin spice.
Pumpkin spice.
She has
Pumpkin
Uggs,
Pumpkin eggnog.
Pumpkin.
You're so basic.
Pumpkin latte.
Pumpkin spice latte. Pumpkin.
Candles.
Mm-hmm.
Just pumpkin.
Straight up pumpkin.
Pumpkin
You know the
skin.
ironic thing is a pumpkin candle smells wildly
Pumpkin pie.
different from when you dig it open. When you carve into it, it smells like a big fart. Okay, extreme tram footage.
Yeah. Is this fun? Yeah?
Okay, let's find a good one. Yeah, I found mine.
Already?
Mainly because I can carry it.
Yeah.
You find yours, Mama? Let me see.
I like this one, but it's pretty big.
You got a baby pumpkin? Oh, so sweet.
Okay.
Okay, Mr. Pumpkin, can I get a comment from you?
Here, come over here. We gotta wait for the wagon.
She loves that pumpkin.
There, you.
Okay, we're riding.
Evie, look at Sissy.
Okay, we made some good selections as far as pumpkin goes,
Say smile.
and we're gonna get our carve on before Halloween sometime.
Yeah.
Okay, do you want to pick a baby pumpkin, Evie? Let's pick a really good one.
Oh, this one is really cute. Or
You like that one? Which one do you want? You want this one? Okay. Okay. You got it okay? Oh, Evie's got her pumpkin. Okay. Okay, do you want to put it in the wheelbarrow?
Evie's got one.
You want to put it in the wheelbarrow?
Oh wow.
That works, I guess.
2 at $1.50, $1. So you're gonna be $2, $10. Well, we'll make that 2 at 10.
Don't get hit, don't
2 at 11. Those two are a little bit bigger.
Awesome. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, we got some good loot. Everybody get a pumpkin they like?
Yes.
Awesome. Okay. Let's go pay the man. Or the woman, or whoever. Hey, Holden, come here.
No Fumar.
That technically says no fumar with a ghost. See, we're multicultural in this family. You dance. Dance, dance. Do the pumpkin dance. Do the pumpkin dance. Dance, dance, dance. That's a big pumpkin, huh? Are you gonna sit on the pumpkin? Pumpkin chair. Oh my goodness.
I'm like a week away from.
Yep.
No.
Yep.
No.
Yep.
No.
We gotta go bye-bye.
No.
You can't live here at the pumpkin patch. It's not allowed.
No.
Because then you'd have to live with the goats and the pig. Honestly, she would probably be fine with that. Thanks for joining us and picking out our pumpkins at Hunter Family Farms. Make sure to like this video, share, and subscribe with the button below. We look forward to our next adventure and hope you join us.